नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर अजय जाटोलिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट वूफिंग कफ। तो शुरू करते हैं वूफिंग कफ। An acute infection caused by Bordetella pertussis. Insidious with mild fever and irritating cough characteristics with cyanosis and vomiting. One of the most lethal disease in infants and young children who have not been immunized. Bordetella pertussis occurs in smooth and rough phases, capsulated and non-capsulated forms, elaborates, and endotoxin and exotoxin. Three main agglutinogen. Source is man, mild, mixed, and unrecognized cases. Infective material, nasopharyngeal and bronchial secretion. Infective period, infective during the catral stage. The infection period extends from a week after exposure to about 3 weeks. After onset of paroxysmal stage, although communicability diminishes rapidly after catral stage. Age: infants and preschool children below the age of 5. Infants below 6 months have highest mortality. Sex, incidence and fatality rate are observed more among female than male children. इनमें ज़्यादा होता है. Incidence and fatality are observed more among female than male children. Environment. Any month but period predominantly in winters and spring. Mode of infection. Droplet infection and direct contact. Incubation period 7 to 14 days. 7 to 14 days incubation period. Clinical features. Produce local infection. The organism is non-invasive. It multiplies on the surface epithelium of respiratory tract and causes inflammation and necrosis of mucosa leading to secondary bacterial invasion. Three stages are described in the clinical course of disease. Lateral stage, lasting for 10 days. Insidious onset, lacrimation, sneezing, and coryza. Anorexia and malaise, and hawking, night cough that becomes diurnal. Proximal stage, lasting for 2 to 4 weeks. It is characterized by bursts of rapid consecutive consecutive coughs followed by deep, high pitched inspiration, whoop जिसको बोलते हैं हाई पिच्ड इंस्पिरेशन मतलब whoop. It is followed by vomiting. In young case, it may cause cyanosis and apnea. Convalescent stage. Stage lasting for 1 to 2 weeks. The illness generally lasts for 6 to 8 weeks. Complications occurs in 5 to 6% cases, most frequently affecting infants aged less than 6 months. Bronchitis, bronchiectasis, and bronchopneumonia. The violence of the paroxysms may precipitate subconjunctival hemorrhages, epistaxis, hemoptysis, and punctate cerebral hemorrhages, which may cause convulsion and coma. Control. Case and contact. Early diagnosis may nasopharyngeal swab, isolation, and treatment erythromycin. This digital session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.